Hello, Sard. You are late today.
Yes, teacher, I am sorry for that.
Well, what is the reason?
The school bus came on right time. When it began to cross the canal bridge, suddenly it stopped with a jerk. Its tire got punctured.
I understand. It is not due to your fault.
Teacher, also bus driver had no jack with him. He tried to stop other vehicles by waving his hand, but nobody paid attention to him.
Then what did you do? Did you come by another bus?
No, teacher, we left the bus and came to school on foot.
Very well, you are really a brave boy. Now let us start our lesson.
Okay, teacher, thank you.